Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel once again for another Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to trigger a custom event or switching textures or anything based on any different logic could be. For example, in this case, we'll be turning on and off the street lights based on the time. So during day they will be off and during night they will be on. This is very helpful if you have in your project a realistic day-night cycle. Like in my case, I'm working with the ultra dynamic sky blueprint, so I have the regular day and night times, and I didn't want to keep all these lights on during day as well, because I mean it doesn't look real and it's not very accurate. So today we will be changing that. Okay, basically all you need to do is replace the textures that it shows here as if it was lit, and the intensity for the lights inside will be set to 0. As simple as that. Based on that description, let's get back to it and start with the blueprint. It has all the materials and everything. You can get one of these from internet anywhere. I just got one from Sketchfab. This is very easy, but this one, the thing is that it has a glass cover here, as if it had the light bulb inside or something. But this material is not actually lighting anything. It's just showing that. So I will add a spotlight inside, and the spotlight will give me the light for the street, for it to work properly. So basically, what we will need to do in order to change it from on and off, back and forth, we'll just need to change the material, in this case, for the glass covers and the intensity for the lights back to 0, okay? It is very, very easy. So first, you will have to get a variable that will be the whatever blueprint you have to handle, for example, the daytime, okay? The time, in my case, I'm working with Ultra Dynamic Sky. You can get it in the Unreal Marketplace. It is a paid asset, but it's very helpful for your projects. So all I need for now is to get an instance from that blueprint inside to be able to track the time, okay? So I'll make a variable here that's called Ultra Dynamic, oh my God, Ultra Dynamic Sky. The type will be the same, will be Ultra Dynamic Sky Object Reference. And another variable that will be able to get the time and store current time, and the type would be float. Okay, once we have this set, let's go back to the event graph. And here we'll be making first a custom event that will be getting the task for replacing the materials when it comes to turn the lights off. Okay. Once we're here, we just need to start replacing materials and intensity for the materials that we'll be needing to switch. Here, get the ping and search for set material, and the name of the material you're looking for, of the static mesh you're looking for, is Lamo Cover 01 Glass 0. This one right here. Just click it. Let's move this here. And now we'll just need to set the material we'll have here for turning off the light. I'll just use any glass that I have here in the material in the project already. You just need to get a clear one or whatever you want to put. I want to use here this one, glass. Okay, I have it done. Then let's get again set material. Set material. For the second one is lamp cover 2 and glass 0. Okay, this one. Okay, and now the material here will be glass again. I'm gonna use this one as well, and it is done. Now let's just change the intensity of the spotlights. The intensity will be, it is actually working with unities. It's set to 5000, so let's change it to set intensity spotlight 1. And since it is turning off the lights, it will be set to 0. And here again, set intensity from the spotlight without number, this one here. Intensity 0 again. Okay, easy as that. Now another custom event. This one will be called turn lights on. And here will be pretty much the same. Just copy all this and paste it. Connect the pins. And then just change the material you will be using for lighting the lamp again. In my case, I'll be using the this material right here that I got, that I'll be using for the glass on, basically. So just by clicking it, click here in use asset selection. It will set it here again. And then in the intensity for the lights will be set to 5000 again. 5000 and 5000. That's it. This is lights on and this is lights off. And now we'll just need to handle the way it changes based on the time, like I said. So, well, just get this done. You just need to create another custom event that will be called check time. And from here we'll get our ultra dynamic sky. Because from here we'll be getting the current time for the comparison and be able to know if it's already day or night or whatever. So from the pin UDS you get time of day. This one right here. Okay, and from the return you will be getting set current time. Just drag and drop it here. So by this we will be getting the time, the current time from the ultra dynamic sky, and storing the value in our current time variable here. From here, get the return pin to a greater this one. We need to evaluate how if the time is more than 6 p.m., less than 6 a.m. and stuff to determine if it's day or night, I mean. Okay, so another ping from here will be less. Another, once again, greater. And one last, less. Okay. Now here we'll be establishing that if it is over 6 p.m., less than 6 a.m., more than, well, that this is to compare night. So we'll be here putting OR, connecting a Boolean evaluation, and based on what it returns, we will handle the result. Now for the second one will be if it is more than 6 a.m., it is day, and less than 6 p.m., it is day. We pull this ping and get an end here and here. Perfect. Now from here in this return pin we'll be getting a branch. This branch will be connected to the output of the set current time. So in this case, if we evaluate that it is over 6 p.m. and less than 6 a.m., it is night. If it returns true, we will be executing the other custom event that we created to turn lights on. Okay, this will turn the lights on. And in case that is false, we'll go into another branch. That will get this condition. And if it is true, we'll be turning lights off. As easy as that. And with this, you will be able to control the time and the changes for your materials and light intensity. The last step is we need to execute this constantly. Well, depends, checking based on time, for example, or an event. Whatever you decide to handle this, I'll set it in the begin play, let's say a timer. Set timer, well, where it is. Set timer by function name. Okay. A timer for a function, and the function we'll be tracking will be check time, this one right here. You need to type check time exactly as it is written or it won't work. Okay? And let's put a track every, 5 seconds. And check on looping, so it will be executing constantly, not just once. And then after this, we just need to get our blueprint on map and test it. So I have already set here a group of polls to test this if it's already working, and let's just give it a try. It will start by default in turn on, because that's how the blueprint is set for now. I haven't really changed it. And when it is running, it is day. It will turn off because, of course, it's day. There it is. Now, my daytime cycle is sped up, so it will turn night in shortly, and it will change. 6 p.m. already, and lights go on. And that's it. As simple as that. You have replaced the material, the texture, and the intensity lights. Now your lights are smart. And as simple as that, this is how you can handle any custom event based on time, for example, or any other condition or logic you want to decide. But this is really helpful for many automatations and different stuff. Okay, so well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed and this is helpful for you, and hope to see you in the next one.